So, big issue, big topic people still struggle with and have concerns about, of course, is medical emergencies and having health care insurance while living abroad. And as of yesterday, November 1st, open enrollment into the ObamaCare insurance or open to the health exchange marketplace where you can go in and choose your insurance. It opened up as of yesterday. So if you don't have insurance, or if you don't have the right type of insurance, or you can now log into that and enroll and get it. And I'm gonna talk about it because a lot of folks are like, Obamacare, that works and that blah blah blah. Listen, if you need some healthcare insurance, get in that thing and sign up for it and get it. We got it. It's been very helpful for us. We have Cigna through the health exchange marketplace. It's very affordable. Being self-employed, of course, being able to write off tax, having all these deductions and all of that, and having children, of course, gave us a big advantage where the bulk of our insurance is paid for. So we just pay a small premium, a monthly fee, and we have coverage. And like I said earlier, I had surgery. My surgery was covered by it. We were able to use it a few other times while here in Mexico. And so it seems the secret to making it work is making sure that you have coverage by the large carriers, the big name brand carriers like Blue Cross Blue Shield, Cigna, I believe Aetna is another one, and many times the hospitals in foreign countries, if you have one of these major insurance policies, if you are admitted for an emergency, they will cover, they will pay out, and that's what happened with us. So the thing is, check out, do the research. Once you've narrowed down the country you want to live in, contact the major hospitals in the cities that you're thinking about and just directly find out if they accept that particular type of insurance. Many of the smaller insurance companies or carriers, they're not recognized by a lot of these foreign companies, and they won't accept it. Because if you don't know, many times the hospitals and places that you get treatment from will require payment up front before they do any procedure. So even if it's an emergency, you could be dying, and if you don't have the money, they're not going to treat you. They're not going to take care of you. It doesn't work the same way it does in the States. And most of the time, they won't accept your insurance, or they won't take your insurance until they can get some type of letter of guarantee saying from the insurance company that, hey, we want to pay the claim, and then at that point, they will treat you or admit you or see you, and you don't have to worry about coming out of pocket and stuff like that. So if you don't have healthcare insurance, I encourage you to go into the marketplace, see what your options are. It's free to fill out the forms online. In fact, I'd encourage you to get on the phone and talk to the reps. The reps are on the thing 24 hours a day. They can help you fill out the application. If you have children, if you don't have income, and if you make very little money, the policies become very, very affordable for you. Much more affordable than trying to pay out for these travel health insurance through the same companies like Blue Cross Blue Shield, Cigna, because they have international healthcare plans. So, and that could easily be several $100s a month just per person. So if you can get the health insurance through the health exchange, and it's affordable, and for us, again, the primary thing that we need it for is for medical emergencies, because those could be the most expensive. So all the other care that we need throughout the year, like my kids, their regular doctor appointments and checkups and visits to the doctor, is very, very affordable. So I'm not necessarily needing health insurance to take care of your typical preventive care or just a typical checkup. If we get the sniffles and have to go to the doctor, or got a stomach ache and ain't feeling bad, it's just simpler for us to go pay the local doctor down the road $3.50 to see the doctor than to even be worried about getting insurance involved. So again, today is the open enrollment period. It started yesterday, November 1st. Go to healthcare.gov. That's the website you can go to and get signed up. And again, check and see what your options are. Look at the major players, the major carriers, and look for them. And again, if you already know where you're going to be at, or if you're already at a place that you're living, contact some of the local hospitals and ask them directly if they accept any American healthcare insurance, and talk to them directly. There's also another website called AmexCare, AmexCare.com. They go a little bit more into detail on how they can work with your healthcare insurance provider and do some workarounds and potentially get healthcare coverage through some of the local hospitals. So that's worth checking out. Basically, you send them the name of your carrier, they'll check to see if there's coverage available. So I'll put the link in the description. Also, I'm doing a live event with Nikki this Sunday coming up. You'll be able to talk to her directly during our live. I believe we're going live at 7:30 Eastern time on Sunday, November, let me pull this up, November 5th. We'll be going live at 7:30 Eastern. If you're in Merida, that time it's about 5:30 our time here. You'll be able to talk to her directly. Members only. If you're not a member, take a look at go to our website, get signed up, www.moveabroadandthrive.com/VIP, and become a member. You'll be able to talk to her directly, ask questions. She has consultation fees that she charges to talk to her, so this will be your opportunity to talk to her directly. It's not going to cost you anything. Also, I'll be on there as well. If you have questions, you can talk. Basically, open up the platform. We'll do a little catch up, talk to her a little bit, find out how things are going with her and her mom and stuff like that. And then we open it up for you all to talk to her directly. And sometimes these live events go from 1 hour on up to 3 hours. So depending on how many of y'all log on. So that's going to be this Sunday, November 5th at 7:30 p.m. Eastern time. We will start. Once you become a member, you'll receive a link to those details to log in to the live about 30 minutes before we go live. So thank you for watching. I'm Cartez. Hope this video has been helpful for you. Have a wonderful and blessed day.